How to check time spent on apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Screen Time. Screen Time provides detailed reports about how much time you spend on your device and on which apps. For a detailed breakdown, tap See All App and Website Activity. On this page, you can see a detailed report of your daily screen time usage. You can also switch to the Week and Day tab, back and forth to view your weekly and usage summary. Here, you'll see a list of your most used apps for the day, showing exactly how much time you've spent on each one by showing their categories or apps and websites. Next, go back to the main settings page and tap on Battery. On this page, you can see battery health, usage by app, and manage low power mode. This screen helps you monitor your phone's power consumption. You can check your screen on and screen off time for the last 24 hours. Scroll down to view your battery usage by app and tap Show Activity to see the time spent on each one. Following these steps, you can easily check time spent on apps on an iPhone.